Hello, my name is Cathryn Anneka and I'm here as part of the TCBL Startups with the Textile Centre of Excellence in Huddersfield, and my business is Anneka Textiles. So the problem that I'm addressing is, as we've been hearing over the last couple of days from everybody, is that we're working in the fashion industry in a really linear system: take, make and waste, which not only causes loads of huge sustainability problems and environmental impacts across the life cycle, but also doesn't really make business sense. You put all of this effort into clothes to then just dispose of them. So why not reuse those clothing? So Anneka Textiles upcycles, but particularly and slightly different is that I'm looking at all of the blended fibres that we were hearing about, particularly yesterday, and how difficult they are to recycle. Most of our clothes are blended, and therefore it causes really loads and loads of problems at the recycling stage. So my process is very similar to how wool is recycled here in Prato, which is why I'm very excited to be here. But I take the mixed fibres that are really problematic and very low value and tend to get downcycled, and I upcycle them to try and make high quality fabrics that can be used again and again. So my market, I started off as a small startup company selling directly to the customer, creating interior products. I then moved into a more business-to-business model where I was selling, going to trade fairs and selling on online platforms. But more recently, I've changed my business model to be looking more directly at the materials and developing the materials rather than the products. I've just started a PhD at the University of the Arts London, Chelsea College, at the Centre of Circular Design, and my research is looking specifically at what to do with blended materials and how to mechanically recycle them, and that research should go directly into my business. And looking at particularly how to design those materials, design them so that they're desirable, so that they're high value, so that people want them and customers are excited by them. I keep hearing from people that recycled fibres are not as good, are not as exciting as virgin ones, and I want that to change. So the team is really big. it's me. But I work with a really great supply chain of collectors, of sorters. I know my face is very big on this screen. It's just me and the team. So collectors and sorters and pullers and spinners and felters to create these amazing materials. So I work with the supply chain. So although it is just me, I work with lots of really great people. So my interaction with TCBL, I'm working, as I said before, with the Textile Centre of Excellence with Ruth and Craig, who's not here. I'm doing some woven fabric with them, developing my new skills on developing fabrics, creating fabrics that will lead to products, thinking about the production of those materials, and exploring this new business model where I'm looking to collaborate with brands. So I'm in charge of the materials, but working with people and brands that are interested in using my materials and working with me so that I can design beautiful recycled materials that they can use for their products. Thank you very much. If you have any questions.